video I will explain what is local storage in JavaScript and how we can use it in our application and what benefit it brings. So before jumping into the code, I want to show you the benefit of local storage. So I have these 4 buttons. So this is button for like set normal variable, and this is for get normal variable, and this is for set local storage variable, and this is for get local storage variable. Okay, so these are the 4 buttons. So using set local normal variable, I will set some local variable normally. Okay, and by clicking on this get normal variable, I will get that variable value, like what I have stored in that variable. And this, in the same manner here, in set local storage variable, I will set local storage variable there using this button, and from this button I will get that value from local storage. Okay, just as simple as that. So we, at this point of time, I have not set any variable value. Don't worry, I will explain the code also in the later part of the video, but now just understand the use case of local storage. So let me click on this get normal variable. Okay, so it is giving me blank because we have not set any normal variable so far, so it is giving me blank. Okay, so that is pretty obvious. And here also we are trying to get local storage variable, like variable from our local storage. So let's try to get. So it is also giving me null value. Okay, obviously we have not set any value inside local storage, so this is pretty obvious. So now I will set some normal variable by default. So I have set some value in the code, so that value will be assigned to that normal variable. So let me set that value. Okay, I click this button, so that value got set in that variable. Now I will try to get this normal variable. Okay, so now you can see this is the value I saved there. So this value is printed here. Okay, simple. Now I will try to set local storage variable by clicking on this button. I just clicked. Okay, it means the variable gets stored in the local storage. Now I will get this value from local storage. Okay, again, so now I can get this value from local storage. Okay, that is pretty straightforward. Okay, now the trick part is here. I will refresh the page, and as you know, when we refresh the page, like all our JavaScript program memory get cleared, and every variable and everything gets cleaned up. All the memory gets cleaned up, and every variable got comes to its normal previous state. Okay, so let me refresh the page now. Okay, I am refreshing the page. Okay, I just refresh this page. Now I will try to access the normal variable value. Okay, I click this button, and it is giving me again blank value because after by refreshing the page, I just cleared all the normal variable values, and again we have to set that value, then only we can get that value. Okay, but not in the case of local storage. Let me try to get local storage value. Okay, as you can see, local storage value can be accessed even after page refresh. Okay, I don't need to set it again and again as with the case of normal variable, but local storage can be accessed even after the page refresh. And even if I click, even if I close this browser, then also I can access this local storage value. Okay, so without setting also you can get this local storage value again and again. If I again refresh this page, and even if I open this page in a new tab, okay, this is the new tab. Okay, I open this page here. Okay, and then I try to get this local storage variable. Wow, as you can see, local storage value can be accessed in the new tab also. Even if I close this browser and again open this browser and access this the same URL, and this local storage value will still be there. Okay, but no, this is not in the case of normal variable. It means like local storage we use when we want to store some data in our application, from our application, the data we want even after page refresh, or we want to store for a longer period of time. Okay, so question comes where this data got stored. Okay, so let me show you where it got stored. We will check the inspect element, and then we will go to application tab. Okay, and here is this local storage. This is the section of storage. There are three kind of storage: local storage, session storage, cookies. Okay, these are the browser storage. So I will open local storage, and then I will close open this domain name. Then you can see name, this is the key, and the value is James. Okay, so if I click on this button, I'm getting James value from here. And if I update this value James 123 or anything, let me update this value. Now if I get this value, Okay, you can see the updated values here. It means local storage store its value, all the values in the key, in the form of key and value. This is the key and this is the value. It store inside this application tab inside your browser. So browser maintains all the local storage for that particular domain. So this value was stored against this domain name, localhost 1234, localhost 1234. Okay, so guys, so let's jump into the code now. So this is my code. Here I use this name variable. This is the normal variable, and this was set normal variable method, and in the name I stored James. Okay, and when in get normal variable method I was getting this name from this value. Okay, but in this case, okay guys, so this is set local storage variable. So we have to use this local storage object. This object is available globally in local storage, like in every browser, and we have to use this set item. Okay, so this is the syntax local storage dot set item, and first we have to give the key. Key can be anything, any name, any key name. Okay, and here value also can be anything. Okay, so this is how we store this we set key value pair in local storage, and when we want to access, just simply we have to use this local storage object, and there is a method local storage dot get item, and inside that get item we have to pass the key name. Okay, this key name or any key name we choose to store our local storage against. So we have to give this key name, and this will return the local storage variable value from our browser local storage. Okay, so this was simple as that. And if we want to clear the local storage, okay, so there are two things. If we want to clear the clear local storage, one is local storage dot clear. Okay, so this method will clear all the values from local storage. It will clean up all the local storage in one go. Okay, and if we just want to remove one key value pair only, not all the values, then we have to use local storage dot remove item. Okay, if we use remove item, then we have to give the name of that key, the value we want to remove from our local storage. So there are mainly these four methods are local storage dot set item. Okay, then local storage dot get item. Okay, and this is local storage dot clear, and this is local storage dot remove item. Okay, so these are the only four methods we have to use in case of local storage, and it will store inside the data inside your local storage. It will fetch the data, and next function will clear the data from local storage, and it will remove one item only from local storage. Okay, so these are the four functions you need to learn only, and you will be able to use local storage in your application very smoothly. And this can be, you got all the details related to local storage. And if you have any question or doubt, you can ask in the comment box. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos in the future. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye for now. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.